Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a passport in Rise of Kingdoms. To migrate your city to a different kingdom, you'll need to acquire passport pages. These essential items are crucial for any player looking to relocate their base and join new alliances or explore different game dynamics. We'll cover the primary ways to collect these pages, ensuring you understand each step. Getting enough pages can take some time, so planning ahead is key for a smooth transition. The Alliance Shop is your most consistent source for passport pages. You can purchase them using individual and alliance credits, so contribute actively to your alliance. Additionally, keep an eye out for special in-game events. Many offer passport pages as rewards for completing challenges or reaching milestones. For those looking for a quicker option, certain in-game bundles occasionally include pages for direct purchase, offering a fast track to migration. Before migrating, ensure your city hall is at least level 16. The exact number of passport pages required will vary based on your current power level. Higher power means more pages. It's important to note that you cannot initiate a migration during active kingdom versus kingdom events, so plan your move carefully around these periods. Also, remember to leave your alliance before attempting to migrate to a new kingdom. Always clear your in-game mail and ensure your resource inventory is not overflowing before you attempt to migrate. Double-check that you possess the correct number of passport pages corresponding to your current power level to avoid any last-minute delays. Planning your migration during a quiet period in your current kingdom is also a smart move. And hey, for more great deals and to check out that Owala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.